Hello butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this look that you see right now. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to start off by I already have primed everything. Everything is primed. So I'm just using a transition color. I'm taking an orange color and just putting it in my crease area. And then I'm going to make sure I put this all over my crease and in the bottom area of my eyes, on my lower eyelid. And just keep, smudging that in. I went again with the same brush and took a pink color and I just applied it right on top of it, and I was just, blending it in into my crease, into my lid, all over my eyes. Yep. Now I'm just taking another brush, a clean brush, and I am just blending any harsh lines that you might see in those eyes. Blend it away. There's a lot of blending actually in this look. So yeah, just so you know. Then I just grab another brush and I did the same thing I did on the top. So I used the orange first and then I smudged it in my lower lash line, and then I took the pink, and then I smudged it on top of the orange. And that's how I did that part. Yep. And like I said, keep on blending. You have to blend as much as you can. I brought that in up a little bit also on my outer corners of the eyes, as you can see. And then I grabbed like a golden yellowish color from the palette and I just put it on my lid area with a flat brush. I wet the brush a little bit so it could be nice and tacky. And yeah, that's how it looks. And then I went back and I used the same brush that I used before, the same blending brush, and I just took some black eyeshadow and put it on my outer corner. Then I started blending and I blended a lot because that color was hard to blend there. But anyways, that's how it came out. And then I just put my lashes on because, you can't do a look without lashes because it look like a hot mess. And after that, I just put some lashes on my lashes. I put some mascara on my lower lashes. And that's how the look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. And I see you guys in my next video. Peace, deuces, bye.